Welcome to Digitability, an award-winning transition and work-ready program serving schools across the country.
Hi, I'm Russell Schwartz, and I'm the special education teacher at Edison High School. Our Digitability work simulation project is called the Eagle Express. In Phase 3 of our work simulation, students are preparing for their demo day presentations. Once students completed their website, they reflected upon their performance and preparation for demo day. Students identified their strengths, skills they developed in their new role, and the tasks they completed. Students created presentations to showcase their involvement in the project. Before demo day, students had the opportunity to practice their presentations and receive valuable feedback from their peers and executive team. Students had the opportunity to interpret feedback to improve their presentation. For our demo day presentations, we invited teachers, administrators, and other classmates to view the website as the students presented.
Welcome to the EHS Eagle Express Vocational Workshop, where you can see all of our services that are talented and hardworking students provided for faculty and classmates. And here's some more.
To stay updated on our latest creations, please follow our Twitter and Instagram. If you want to order online, use our email or place an order on the last page of our website. Use Khalid.
We have been working with a program called Digitability that teaches vocational skills through a work simulation program. Here's what's swell.
We're building our independent skills through data entry, retail, office service, among others. Here's Megan.
Welcome to the shop page of our Eagle Express website. On this page, we have varieties of products that we created in the workshop. Here's Ariana.
The wreaths are created for all different seasons and holidays. We personalize them, dye the clothespins, take suggestions about what you want on the wreath.
The chocolate-covered Oreos were made for all different celebrations. These Oreos are made for different holidays, fundraisers, and parties that teachers may need help with desserts for the party.
Our talented crew can make your visions for your party real with everything from the invitations to the party favors. Here's Dow.
The holiday products that are made for the holidays are ornaments and wrapping presents for the school and any teachers that want help getting wrapping done. Here's Megan.
We also offer many other services such as posters and magnets that can be done on special orders. You can contact us for new products. Thank you so much for your partnership. Here's Zach.
Welcome to the Autism Awareness fundraiser. We utilize our talents to help members of our community. Here's Janash.
We sell chocolate puzzle pieces and unique light bulbs in order to promote Autism Awareness Month. Here's Nikhil.
We also raise money for our kids of Down syndrome. Here, Jack.
We sold chocolate-covered Oreos for the Pennies for Puppies fundraiser in order to help Seeing the Eye program.
And as always, we appreciate your support in helping to make our dreams come true.
Phase 3 of the Digitability work simulation has been developing my students' tech skills and cooperative skills. Students improved their abilities with technology by inserting pictures on their own and resizing them as needed, as well as making sure each of the students were able to complete their assigned job by using the needed technology correctly. One student also suggested inserting a live radio station to the website and had to understand which web tools were needed, how to use the needed tools, and how to embed HTML code in order to make sure that the radio actually worked. Other students learned similar tech skills by embedding social media links and making sure that the hyperlinks took users to the proper social media platforms.